Hi, I'm Paul Meeks with Worthington Products, and I'm standing here in front of a heavy-duty steel pontoon. And you're saying to yourself, what the heck? Worthington only does molded plastic booms. Well, my friend, you're wrong. We do steel pontoons as well, and this is evidence of it. This is what we call TUFFSteel. Steel, it's made from steel. We do this in diameters of 24 inches up to 48 inches in diameter, and we do it in lengths up to 48 feet long. So what's special about this? Well, this is a boom that is designed for cold weather environments where you want to leave your booms in year-round and you're worried about the freeze thaw. It's designed to be strong. It's designed to withstand the spring freshet either by submerging or riding up above the ice floes. Now, we have a number of different designs on this, so I'm going to show you a couple features. On the top of each boom, well, we always have our lifting lugs. We want to make sure that you can pick these things up and put them back in with ease. And on the end of each boom, you're going to see some fittings on both ends, and those fittings are there in case you need to pump these things with air and patch if it ever gets a leak in the steel, which doesn't happen too often. We also fill these booms with foam, so you're guaranteed you have an option of either a foam-filled or a not foam-filled boom. Now, custom designed booms. On this example here, you see that we have a skirt underneath it. Now, this is a very unique feature with Worthington. Most steel pontoons you're used to seeing, all they are is just a round steel pontoon. They're designed for ice, and that's it. Well, we designed our booms for multiple purposes. You can call this the original multi-purpose boom. Why? Because it's designed as a public safety boom. It sits high enough above the water. It's designed as a debris boom with our underskirts, and it's designed as a nice boom with our steel construction. How do we connect these things? We connect them end to end, or in a typical ice boom fashion, we run chain underneath. That chain goes down below the ice level. It connects to what we call a span cable, and that runs the full length. So essentially, we're transferring all the load to that cable. This is a strong boom. Works great in the frigid northern environments. We hope we have the opportunity to work with you on your next ice boom project or cold weather project, because I think you're really going to love what we have here in the TUFFSteel. Thank you so much.